Urdu, born February 1, 1982, is a Pakistani cricketer who plays for the Pakistan national cricket team and currently plays for Karachi Kings in the Pakistan Super League PSL. He was the captain of the Pakistan national cricket team from 2007 to 2009. He made his one-day international debut in 1999 against the West Indies and his Test debut in 2001 against Bangladesh. On November 3, 2015, he announced his retirement from Test cricket to focus on 2019 Cricket World Cup. On July 2, 2018, he became the first male cricketer to play 100 T20s. On July 5, 2019, he announced his retirement from one-day international cricket after Pakistan won their last group stage game against Bangladesh at Lord's at the 2019 Cricket World Cup. Shoaib Malik has taken over 150 ODI wickets, and has a batting average in the mid-30s in both Test and ODI cricket. His bowling action has come under scrutiny, particularly his deucer, but he has had elbow surgery to correct this. Malik was ranked second, behind teammate Shoaib Afridi, in the ICC ODI All-Rounder rankings in June 2008. In March 2010, Malik received a one-year ban from international cricket from the Pakistan Cricket Board (PCB). The ban was overturned 2 months later. Shoaib Malik was captain of the now-defunct Sialkot Stallions and led them to a domestic record 8 domestic T20 titles, with the last one coming in 2015. On September 13, 2017, Malik became the highest run scorer in T20 for Pakistan. In April 2018, he was named as the captain of Punjab's squad for the 2018 Pakistan Cup. On July 1, 2018, Malik also became the first Asian batsman to score 2,000 runs in T20s, and third overall and first player to play 100 T20s in the world. In August 2018, during the 2018 Caribbean Premier League tournament, he became the fourth batsman to score 8,000 runs in T20s. On October 10, 2020, in the 2020-21 National T20 Cup, Shoaib Malik became the first Pakistani batsman to score 10,000 runs in 2020 cricket, doing so in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa match against Balochistan. To a middle-class family in Sialkot, in Pakistan's Punjab province. His father Malik Zakir Hussain, a modest shopkeeper who sold local footwear and supported his son's passion for cricket, passed away of throat cancer in 2006. Malik divorced his wife Aisha Siddiqui on April 7, 2010. On April 12, 2010, Shoaib Malik married Indian tennis player Sania Mirza in a traditional Hyderabadi Muslim wedding ceremony at the Tak Krishna Hotel in Hyderabad, India, followed by Pakistani wedding customs. 2021-22 Their wedding ceremony was held in Sialkot, Pakistan. Their wedding received media and online attention across the world. The couple announced their first pregnancy via social media on April 23, 2018. Their first child, the boy, was born on October 30, 2018. His brother Adil Malik and his nephew Mohammad Herrera are also cricketers. Thanks for watching. Like the video,